Credit Strong Revolve Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but here's why understanding Credit Strong Revolve could completely change how you build credit in 2025. You won't believe how a simple, flexible financial tool can not only help you establish or rebuild credit, but also save money on interest and access better financial opportunities down the line. If you're serious about improving your credit profile, this review is going to give you a clear picture of whether Revolve is worth it or if you should leave it on the table. Credit Strong Revolve is designed as a revolving credit builder, which makes it a bit different from traditional credit cards or loans. Its primary focus is helping individuals who are either new to credit or working to repair their credit scores. By offering a revolving line of credit that reports to the major credit bureaus, Revolve allows users to demonstrate consistent, responsible credit behavior over time. The real question is how effective it is in practice and whether its benefits outweigh the costs in 2025. First, let's break down the basics of how Revolve works. Unlike a secured credit card where your spending is tied directly to a deposit, Revolve offers a line of credit that you can draw from, repay, and reuse. Essentially, it's similar to a traditional credit card, but with a strong emphasis on credit building. Payments you make on your balance are reported to the major bureaus, which is key for improving your credit score. This reporting consistency is one of the biggest advantages because it ensures that responsible use has a direct impact on your credit profile. The structure of Revolve is also flexible. Users can choose a credit limit that aligns with their financial goals and capabilities. For example, if you're starting out with limited credit history, you might select a modest limit, like $500 or $1,000, which keeps your utilization ratio low, a critical factor in credit scoring. If you're more established or have higher financial capacity, larger limits are available, giving you more room for credit building activity. Now, let's talk about interest rates and fees, because most people get this part wrong. Revolve is transparent about its rates, but they can vary depending on the user's credit profile and the terms chosen at enrollment. While it isn't the cheapest credit product on the market, the goal here isn't to minimize borrowing costs, it's to build or repair credit efficiently. That said, if you pay your balance on time and maintain low utilization, the cost of interest can be significantly reduced, and in some cases, nearly eliminated. One of the unique aspects of Revolve is its combination of credit building and flexibility. Most credit builder products are rigid. They either offer a loan that you must pay off over a fixed term or a secured card that ties your credit limit to a deposit. Revolve, however, provides a revolving line of credit, allowing users to practice the kind of credit management that will directly translate to improved scores. Making timely payments, keeping balances low, and using the credit responsibly mirrors the behavior lenders want to see, which is why Revolve can be so effective. Here's a practical example. Suppose you open a $1,000 Revolve account and make consistent monthly payments of $100. Each payment is reported to the bureaus, showing responsible behavior. Over 6 months, your credit utilization remains at 10%, and your payment history is perfect. These are the exact factors that credit scoring models weigh heavily, leading to noticeable improvements in your credit score. The beauty of Revolve is that it allows you to manage this process in a controlled environment, minimizing risk, while maximizing credit building potential. Another significant benefit is that Revolve helps diversify your credit mix. Credit scoring models like FICO reward individuals who have a mix of credit types, such as installment loans and revolving credit. By offering a revolving product specifically designed for credit building, Revolve gives users a chance to add diversity to their credit report, which can boost scores even further. Most people overlook the importance of credit mix, but it's a subtle yet powerful factor in scoring algorithms. Let's also discuss user experience and digital tools. Revolve's platform is user-friendly, with an intuitive dashboard that tracks your balance, payment history, and utilization. Notifications and reminders help you stay on top of due dates, which is crucial for avoiding late payments. Many credit builder products don't offer these kinds of tools, making Revolve a more proactive solution for people who want to monitor and manage their credit growth effectively. Now, on to potential drawbacks. First, the interest rates can be higher than traditional credit cards, so carrying a balance is not ideal. Second, while Revolve reports to all major bureaus, the speed of reporting can vary slightly, so users may not see instant changes in their credit scores. Third, some users may find that the lack of physical card options or limited merchant acceptance could be a limitation if they are looking for a hybrid credit building and spending tool. These are important factors, to consider when evaluating whether Revolve aligns with your financial goals. Another point worth mentioning is that Revolve's effectiveness depends on disciplined use. It's not a magic solution. You must make timely payments, keep utilization low, and avoid maxing out your line of credit. The card or account itself won't improve your credit without consistent responsible behavior. Most people underestimate the behavioral commitment required to see meaningful results. Despite these considerations, Revolve's advantages are compelling. The ability to demonstrate responsible credit behavior, diversify your credit profile, and access a revolving line of credit without traditional credit history requirements is rare. Many credit-building tools are limited to small installment loans, but Revolve simulates real-world credit use in a way that lenders respect. Over time, consistent use can open doors to better credit cards, loans with lower interest rates, and improved financial flexibility. Let's also look at cost-effectiveness. While the product may come with fees or higher interest rates, these should be viewed as an investment in your credit future. The potential gains improved credit score, better loan terms, and increased access to financial products can outweigh the initial costs. In many cases, a small monthly fee or moderate interest expense can lead to thousands saved on mortgages, car loans, or personal credit lines in the long run. Additionally, Revolve offers educational resources and guidance for users who are new to credit. This includes tutorials on how credit scores work, tips for maximizing score improvements, and insights on how to leverage your new credit responsibly. For someone starting from scratch or recovering from past financial challenges, this guidance can be invaluable. Most credit-building tools don't offer this level of support, making Revolve stand out as a comprehensive solution. A common misconception is that Revolve is only for people with poor credit. In reality, it's equally useful for individuals who are just beginning their credit journey, those who want to rebuild after life events, and even users who want to supplement their existing credit mix. Its flexibility in account size, reporting, and usage makes it adaptable to various financial situations. Now, let's visualize long-term outcomes. Suppose you consistently use Revolve over 12 to 18 months. By making timely payments, keeping your utilization low, and following best practices, you can see a measurable improvement in your credit score. With higher scores, you gain access to premium credit cards, lower interest loans, and more competitive financial products. This creates a feedback loop, where responsible credit use leads to better opportunities, which encourages even more responsible behavior, a cycle that can transform your financial health. In conclusion, Credit Strong Revolve is a robust credit-building tool for 2025. Its revolving line of credit, consistent reporting, flexible limits, and user-friendly digital tools provide a practical way to improve or establish credit. While it requires disciplined use and carries interest rates typical of credit builder products, the long-term benefits, higher credit scores, better loan terms, and financial empowerment can make it well worth it. For anyone serious about building or repairing credit, Revolve is more than a temporary solution. It's a strategic tool that can help you achieve stronger financial footing. The surprising truth is that with responsible use, the right planning, and patience, Revolve can turn a low or non-existent credit score into a foundation for better financial opportunities in the future. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your financial goals, willingness to manage credit responsibly, and commitment to long-term improvement. Used correctly, Credit Strong Revolve in 2025 is not just worth it, it can be transformative. Most people don't realize that small, consistent actions with the right tools can create lasting, meaningful credit growth, and Revolve is one of the few products designed to make that happen efficiently and effectively.